Hello everyone, welcome once again to our channel. This is Crypto Bounty, your hub of free mining apps. Today there is a new platform called Blum. All you have to do when you click the link, you have this interface before you. Input your email, address, and click join the wait list. Now in this platform, each person can only refer 5 people. So you see, this link has been used up. So now I cannot register. That is why this is showing now. So I will be able to continue when I get a viable or an available referral link to continue the process. Now I have gotten a referral link that is available, that is not used up. So now you can see my Telegram username has shown up now. It has welcomed me. Welcome to the crew. So now I'll just click continue. So once I click it, allow it to load up. So once it loads up, you have this interface before you where your network may affect it. Okay, I guess my network is what is affecting it now. Now we'll proceed to click task. Once you click task, you have this interface before you. And then just do the task, subscribe to their Telegram, Instagram, their X account, and so on. Once you've completed all the tasks, come back and then click home. Click home and then you see this button, start farming. Click it and then it will start. So you come every 8 hours 3 times a day. So you can see it every 8 hours. You come, you claim whatever you have mined and you click start farming again. Get your referral link. Simply click this friends. Click it. Allow it to load. Now once it opens up, you are going to see that every account can only make a maximum referral of 5 friends. In fact, if you go through their Telegram channel, Twitter, they will tell you make sure you invite friends that are going to be serious, not friends that you invite, they will just register and they are not going to do anything and leave the account dormant. So for this to be a limited opportunity whereby no account can invite more than 5 people, you should know that this is serious and they need serious people in their platform and they have a big plan for the future. So on the account of this, the link to this platform will not be in the description of this video. In our Telegram channel, we shall post this video there. Then those who want to participate in this platform and who want to be serious, you'll be serious, request for the link. Then I will send you the link so that you can register. Then if there are more people who are still serious to register, those other people who register with my link can also send your link to the group so that others can use your link to register. So this is what you are going to do. When you see this video, when you know you're going to be serious and you need the link, just drop your comment in the Telegram channel and I will provide you with the link. So once you come here, just click invite a friend and then click copy link, and then your link has been copied. Share it with 5 people who will be serious with the project, who will not just register and abandon the account. After that, you get the omnibus link, just the normal website link. you are to join the waitlist again with the same email with which you have registered. Submit your email here, join the waitlist here. Thank you, your submission has been received. So that's all you have to do. So by this way, you complete your registration in this site. So this is all about Bloom project, and this project is in partnership with some big platform also. So please do not take it for granted. If you are here to subscribe to our channel, please do so. Hit the bell icon to all set so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. Like and share this video. Till we'll come your way again next time, we remain yours faithfully, Crypto Bounty.